Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something really interesting to unbox and review, the Soundpets Air 4 earbuds. These earbuds have unique features including hybrid active noise cancelling without traditional ear tips. So let's dive right in and see what's inside the box. Opening the box, the first thing we notice is a sleek and compact charging case. It's lightweight and pocket friendly, which is always a plus. Moving on to the accessories, we find a USB-C charging cable. Unfortunately, there's no wireless charging option. Moving on to battery life, it's decent but not exceptional. On a full charge, the earbuds themselves will give you around 6.5 hours of playback. With the charging case, you can extend that to a total of approximately 26 hours. While many earbuds nowadays offer fast charging for a quick boost, I couldn't find any information regarding that feature for the Soundpets Air 4. In terms of durability, these earbuds come with an IPX4 rating. That means they can handle exposure to rain and sweat without a problem. Just remember not to submerge them in water. Inside we have the earbuds snugly resting in their charging cradle. It's worth mentioning that these earbuds have a semi-open design, which means they don't use the traditional ear tips for sealing your ears. Now let's talk about some of the standout features of the Soundpets Air 4. One of the most intriguing aspects is their compatibility with Snapdragon sound technology. If you happen to have a Snapdragon chip-compatible phone, you're in for a treat. These earbuds support aptX lossless playback, delivering audio quality that rivals CDs, all on earbuds priced under $80. That's pretty impressive, right? Speaking of controls, these earbuds offer comprehensive touch controls right out of the box. You can play, pause, skip tracks, adjust the volume, activate gaming mode, and toggle noise cancelling without needing to access the app, which is quite convenient. For those of you who use earbuds for taking calls, these earbuds come equipped with a total of 6 microphones and CBC technology. This means they prioritize your voice while reducing background noise. Furthermore, these earbuds are equipped with Bluetooth 5.3, which is known for its low latency. Combine that with aptX low latency and a dedicated gaming mode, and you're looking at an audio experience tailored for gamers. In fact, they claim to have just 88 milliseconds of lag, making them virtually lag-free. Another noteworthy feature is multi-point connection. This is typically found on more expensive models, but here you have it on a budget-friendly pair. It allows you to connect to multiple devices simultaneously, which is a great convenience. Let's talk about sound quality. These earbuds are equipped with 13-mini dynamic drivers, and they offer a pleasant surprise in this department. Out of the box, the sound profile leans a bit towards the warm side, with a focus on the lower frequencies. However, once you enable noise cancelling and fine-tune the EQ settings, these earbuds really come to life. Boosting the treble enhances detail without making it too bright or harsh. The bass, when combined with noise cancelling, becomes punchier without overshadowing other elements of the sound. It's worth mentioning that without noise cancelling, the bass can feel a bit bloated. The mids are handled well. They aren't overly emphasized, but are still present and clear. The semi-open design of these earbuds contributes to a spacious soundstage and accurate sound imaging. You can easily pinpoint where different sounds are coming from, which enhances the overall listening experience. And yes, there's an app, the Soundpets app. Now, don't expect anything fancy here. It's quite bare bones in terms of design. However, it serves some essential functions. You can keep the earbuds updated through the app, and there's an adaptive EQ feature. You take a hearing test, and the app creates an EQ setting tailored to your hearing. It also allows you to toggle noise cancelling on and off, and offers preset EQ options or the ability to customize your own. One interesting feature is the option to disable touch controls. If you're worried about accidental touches during a workout or other activities, you can simply turn them off in the app. Now, let's delve into one of the most intriguing aspects of these earbuds, their noise cancelling capabilities. Given their semi-open design, you might be skeptical about how effective the noise cancelling can be. Surprisingly, they manage to impress. You do need to ensure that the earbuds are properly seated in your ears to get a good seal. When you activate the noise cancelling feature, the microphones kick in to reduce ambient noise. It won't make the world go completely silent, but it does a commendable job. Voices become noticeably muted, and it's particularly effective at blocking out low-frequency sounds like air conditioners or engine noises. However, it's worth noting that enabling noise cancelling does alter the sound profile. The bass gets a significant boost, making it punchier. To find the right balance, you might need to tweak the EQ settings. I found that combining the noise cancelling with the vocal or treble boost mode results in a dynamic and well-balanced sound. So there you have it, my in-depth unboxing and review of the Soundpets Air 4 earbuds. They offer a unique blend of features and performance at an attractive price point, making them a compelling choice for budget-conscious audiophiles and gamers alike. If you're looking for a budget-friendly pair of earbuds that can deliver impressive sound quality, effective noise cancelling, and seamless connectivity, the Soundpets Air 4 might just be the right. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned.